How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add transitions in Streamlabs. So of course, in order to do this, you must have multiple scenes right here. In my case, I'm just using these two scenes, but they capture the same thing, which is our display right here. So let's edit out the second scene with this one so we can know the difference. Basically, to add your own transition, you can just click on the edit scene transitions. And of course, from here, you can look at the global transition. Basically, with this one, it will just cut onto the next scene. Now, we don't want to do that, so just click on the add transition option. And from here, you have multiple presets to choose from. You can name your transition the way you want to. And then from here, let's do something like Stinger. You can customize your options or your video file, but if you want to just use it with the default setting, you can just click on Done. Select your transition, and then if we click on the second option right here, it will then initiate that specific transition. But I think this transition requires a video file, so let's try another one with maybe something like simple with swipe, and then we can see that right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.